I'd like to see chiropractors stay true to the adjustment and true to, using the hands to get things moving and really touching their patients. That's something no other practitioners do. And massage therapists do it and physical therapists do it sometime when they're doing manual therapy, but every physical therapy clinic I worked in, there was a lot of doodads, whatsits, and machines between you and the patient. And I like to get my hands on those people and feel things move and feel their body heal. And I hope chiropractic can stay true to that.
What kind of adversities have you faced throughout your career, and what have you learned from them?
Gosh, so I think it was about 4 or 5 years into practice, and I started talking to chiropractors because, again, I really like this community thing. And I kept hearing chiropractors saying things like, well, the adjustments don't work. We're going to start doing injections. And I was like, what? What are you talking about? Like, this is so not what we do. We are all natural. We don't put things in, all the things. So my adversity was finding out that a lot of my profession colleagues don't believe in what they do. And that broke my heart more than anything I can possibly explain to you, because chiropractic is so powerful. When you get a joint moving and the nervous system responds to it and the body starts to heal and you step back and watch the magic happen, because the body's magic. It's so powerful. And to hear so many chiropractors, and I think a lot of it was because they were stuck in the insurance world, and the insurance world wasn't allowing them to treat how they really could treat and do a good job. So I suspect that was part of it. I don't think they actually hated their jobs, but I love my job every day. And so when I get really excited about chiropractic and I get in a room with chiropractors who aren't excited to be there, it breaks my heart a little bit. And that was a big challenge for me. Luckily, that mode has shifted in the last 10 years. And now you're starting to see a lot of chiropractors very excited about the adjustment again, getting better at their tools. I now teach at least 2 seminars every year teaching chiropractors how to adjust just the way that I do, just so that they can get those big results and have sustainable care and not have to keep adjusting over and over and over. And I think getting them out of that wheel of over and over and over and over and people not really getting better has helped the mood of chiropractic significantly.
I see. So it sounded like it was just a few years ago or within recent memory that this shift kind of changed for a lot of chiropractors?
Yeah, it really did. And I'm not sure why. I really don't know why. I really have enjoyed seeing the shift. The state association has worked really hard to recreate the community around chiropractic and around the adjustment as being our magical tool, rather than, this shiny bobble or that shiny bobble or this vibration thing or that. The adjustment is really what we're good at. And it's something nobody else knows how to do well. And so, I don't know why it shifted, but I love that it did.
Yeah, that's something I've noticed too, actually, is certain clinics have gone to, I guess, more of the technology side and shifted away from human aspect. Do you think that was a warning for maybe what's to come, or just instilling fear in certain chiropractors?
I think in some cases it's because the shiny bauble is really cool. And I think in other cases it's because they saw that as making more money, which to me, the internal problem there is that they don't value the adjustment, because if they're looking for something else to replace it, then they don't see the power of what the adjustment can do. That to me is a problem, and maybe they shouldn't be chiropractic. Maybe they should be something else that uses that really cool tool. But, I'd like to see chiropractors stay true to the adjustment and true to, using the hands to get things moving and really touching their patients. That's something no other practitioners do. And massage therapists do it and physical therapists do it sometime when they're doing manual therapy, but every physical therapy clinic I worked in, there was a lot of doodads, whatsits, and machines between you and the patient. And I like to get my hands on those people and feel things move and feel their body heal. And I hope chiropractic can stay true to that. But I'm sure that's going to be a challenge ongoing, because chiropractic schools there's only like 12 in the country or 15 in the country. So there's not a ton to head that direction compared to other careers.